Today we have a workshop, chemistry seminar series and workshop for fall 2024. And we have a collaborator from USC, Dr. Maral Mosubi.
We've had an amazing time today at this lab at Navajo Tech University. We were excited to show some of our medical devices, specifically different ways to make sustainable green methods of electrode fabrication using a laser. We can engrave carbon electrodes using a laser, and this method allows us to make affordable diagnostics that can work at home or at the point of care.
To make healthcare accessible for all of the people, we help the student and teach them how to do electrochemical techniques like potentiometry, voltammetry, and how to make electrodes. It was a pretty great experience, a lot of talented students, and they're all very talented and very excited about the project.
Right now we're doing some training with potentiometric electrodes and measuring using a potential gradient instead of actual direct electron transfer, kind of helping to train and open up these students' minds to different ways that we can use the same principles of electrochemistry, ion movement, and electron transfer to be able to detect different types of molecules and different types of things in biological solution.
We presented a lot of our work about electrochemical sensors based on laser-induced graphene. It was really exciting and interesting experience for me to share my knowledge and my experience with undergrad students here. I'm happy to do this again in the future for them and for similar students.
So far today, we got visitors from the University of Southern California to help us on updating and also furthering our experiments and research in our paper sensors.
And today I participated in the chemistry electrochemical sensor workshop done here with USC. Today I pretty much learned about laser print on certain films to create electrochemical sensors, also how to create ion selective electrodes. Hopefully we get to take this information and apply it to future works that we get to do here.
I did enjoy learning about the laser etch electrode that they introduced to us, which will eliminate costs and allow us to make more electrodes within our own department. And we can also teach this to undergrad students.
Today our students learned how to make this LAG electrodes. So these are all the real electrodes they have fabricated. Thank you.
We've been really excited to work with students and show them how to make these electrodes, how to functionalize the electrodes, and how to do analysis with these types of measurements. And we hope to see these students become leaders in medical fields in the future.